In this video, I will guide you on how to add Lofi Dusk effect on Instagram. Launch open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the Your Story option. Now go ahead and select the picture that you want to add in your story, or you can simply click one. Now you want to click on this brush icon, which is the Restyle option. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different filters over here. Find the one that says Lofi Dusk and select that. If you do not find it here, then scroll all the way at the end and find the option of See All. Tap on this. Now from here, you can search for the Lofi Dusk filter. Once you have found it, select that. Now wait for some time. After this process has been completed, your filter will be added. If you want to make some more changes, you can tap over here and then describe how to edit your photo here. But if you're happy with the results, simply tap on the Finished option. Now you can add some text, stickers, or music, then tap on the Your Story option. And in this way, you can easily add the Lofi Dusk effect on Instagram. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.